Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. So we have the Samsung Galaxy A52 in our hand right now, and this particular video is going to be the testing of Pubg Mobile game on that particular machine, and we will going to test out how the frame rate are going to be performing since it's coming with a 90 Hz of refresh rate on the display, and whether this is going to be supported by Pubg Mobile for 90 FPS or not. Also, we are going to test out the battery and how it's going to perform when I'm going to play the game for around half an hour, and we will see how this game is going to be performing in terms of FPS, in terms of temperature, and how the battery is going to be lasting. So first of all, we have a 68% of a battery capacity right now, and we are going to test out how the battery is going to be drained when it's going to be having the Pubg Mobile gameplay for 30 minutes. So let's open up the Pubg Mobile, and here we have the game itself, and we will test out its performance. So on the right side we have the temperature as well. We are currently on 29 degrees centigrade of temperature, and we have the FPS detail. Currently it's running on 40 FPS, and also we have some other bunch of stuff like CPU and GPU performance is going to be here as well. So first we are going to test out the settings and see whether it's going to be having a support for FPS or not in the graphics. In the graphics we have smooth and ultra the most. We don't have the support for these smooth variant of the PUBG, so this is going to be a disappointment, I can say. But since we have the Snapdragon 720G, so I think that this is going to be performing better in the ultra variant of the Pubg Mobile. In balance we have the ultra support. In HD we have the high setting, and in HDR we have some other bunch of stuff. We cannot have a support for HDR right now, no ultra HD and other stuff. So guys, this is a device that is supported by 90 FPS, and still it is not running with any kind of 90 FPS support inside, and that is kind of a disappointment. Maybe in the future when Pubg Mobile will update their devices or their game, we may see a support for 90 FPS for the Galaxy A52. So guys, let's play the arena mode for the Pubg Mobile for the Galaxy A52 device and check out its temperature, its GPU performance, and other FPS as well. So here we go. We are just started the match, and I'm going to play it for a few moments and see how the FPS is going to perform, whether it's going to be stable or not. So I have to turn off that. So since you are seeing that its FPS is right now going to perform better,
Team match, let's go.
a good surround sound is available since it is coming with stereo speakers, so it's going to provide a decent amount, not decent, a good amount of stereo speaker capability. You can hear.
First point for the red team. Heading down. Reloading. Killing spree for the red team. No mercy. Target down. No mercy.
Oh my god.
Blue team victory.
So finally we have win the TDM match here, so it's going to be a great success. And right now we have a temperature at 36 degree, and the FPS, I think that has been logged on 40 FPS right from the start up to the end of the match. So this is going to be really good, and we have the 48% for GPU and 26% for the CPU performance. So here we go, we are in the lobby, and this is going to be looking good. The battery capacity is 66%, which means we have lost maybe 1 or 2% of battery capacity in the gameplay. So this is going to be really good performance by the Galaxy A52. Also we are going to test some other bunch of games like the classic mode. The Libic one is going to be good. We will see how this game is going to perform on that particular uh, arena, you can say. We have 4 players which are going to be coming alongside with me in the team match. So finally we have won the game, and this is going to be absolutely a great device. I have seen that there is going to be a little bit on the FPS that has been lowered. Maybe 38, 35 is going to be the lowest which we have seen, and also the temperature of that particular device has been 37 degrees. And if we look at towards the battery capacity, and it is going to be 62% from the 68% to 62% in two games I have played. So all in all, this is going to be an excellent device, and it is going to be really good in terms of gaming. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope you have enjoyed this particular game, and you have seen the gaming performance, particularly the PUBG mobile game is going to be running pretty smooth on the Galaxy A52. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion about this device? Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.